Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is the favorite day of the week because it's Friday freebie. I am gifting you a selection of freebie. It's free printable for you guys to download and print and create any project, any junk journal for card making, gift tags, anything that you guys want. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Friday freebie, free printable, very special one today. What do you think is front and back? Let me do a little peeking. Right, so before I show you the freebie, I am going to show you the VIP papers for September, which this freebie has been designed for. So I took one of the fairy page, put some butterflies and created a freebie. But before I show you what you're going to get for free today, let me show you the VIP September digital papers first. So today, exciting September, where the time is going is literally time to put the Christmas tree up. Wow, September is coming. As you watch this video, me and Jamie are in Italy for our third holiday. Yeah, we're going quite a lot of time, quite a lot of the times this summer. So yeah, we decided that it's all about family, spending time. So yeah, so we've been to Italy in May, we're going back in July, and we are now, by the time you watch this video, we are in Italy. So I will catch up with you guys when I come back, if there's any news about the house, etc, etc. So today I want to showcase the VIP papers for September. So the VIP lounge is a yearly subscription that I offer on my website. So when you join, for the month that you join, you will get 12 months to at least two digital papers collection delivered to your email address. You also get a nominated 20% off discount across everything on my website. That's including sale kit. And also every month you get a cheeky offer. Sometimes it can be, I don't know, another free kit or a 3 for 2 or 50%. I tend to vary them all the time. So for September, the VIP members get 3 digital collections. One is a full kit and 2 are minis. I'm going to start with the minis first, and then we're going through the big one. So the first one is called Fancy Stones, and I'll tell you the story about it. In Italy, there are lots of this mosaic floor, of course, without the flowers. And this reminded me of that. A lot of houses, especially not vintage, but house had been built about the 70s, around the 70s, had this floor. So you've got the cement and then all these different stones. So what I have done, I have used the color on the stone. So the white on here, for example, I used the white, this terracotta, this navy, and this gray, and I created these flowers on top. So everything blend because the flowers have the same colors of the stone. Can you see? So you've got white, this terracotta, the navy with the navy, and on each one I then added an extra color that I thought would go well with it. On this paper, the flowers are this really nice lilac flowers. Okay, page number 2 is again really nice mosaic floor with some blue, terracotta, and some green. So that's the extra color. This like it's between a teal and an olive green. I think it's all blend together. Page number 3, which is absolutely my favorite. I do like the color combination with this teal bluish with the terracotta. I think is a really nice, interesting color combination. And then you get the burgundy and the terracotta one and this gray color. And then the last is this toned terracotta with again gray and white, and I added this dirty dusty pink on top. And I'm sure you could probably see that this pink and grey goes really, really well together. So kit number 1. So Fancy Stones. Kit number 2 is called Modern Fairy Tale. Modern because there is a lot of flowers, but like in a more modern way. So I have used these lovely fairies. They're so cute. Look at them. So cute. And then I build flowers and layer them on top. So you get 4 pages. So that with some tags. This is probably my favorite page of this kit. On each tag you have a fairy. So cute. So you get 5 tags the same and 2 tags the slightly bigger. So you've got the fairy and this lovely floral background. Page number 3 is some embellishment. So you've got some clusters of flowers and then I put the fairy on top. Oh, they absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then last is a black and white paper. I want to create something that you guys could use like this. And also what you can do, you can color it yourself. So I wanted to give you a versatile page when you can do what you want with it. I left the black and white so you can color it. And I know you can see there is a bit of grey in here. If you get a pastel, any pencil color, it will color it on top. And then, sorry, this is called Modern Fairy Tale. And then the last kit is called Sunflowers Extravaganza. I'll let you guess why. Because it's full of sunflowers. So my VIP, the VIP papers are designed for my VIP members, are designed to give you a lot of thing on the paper. So you get background, you got tags, you got gift boxes, gift tags, etc. So I'll show you the background first. So you have separate backgrounds. Love these. I'll show you in just a moment my favorite page. Some are quite busy, some are quite neutral. This is my favorite. What I wanted to do with this page is create like a little, in my head, it's like, you know, in the garden during the evening time when you got your fairy lights, I wanted to create this fairy lights effect, and I hope I achieved it. You see it? Nah. Yeah, so this is my ultimate favorite page. Some more background. Then you've got a milk carton gift box. So love it, love it, love it. So this milk carton, when you do it up, it looks like this. Oh, something has dropped. So you've got these ones, this 4 square here are the 4 square there. This triangle are those triangles here, and this strip on top will be this one. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So super cute gift box, so you can put anything that you want in it. You've got 1 page with 3 envelopes. So you've got 2 rectangular envelopes and a scallop envelope. A page full of tags with this gorgeous teal background, turquoise. And last but not least, you got an embellishment page with 2 pockets and a pockets that you can slip things on it. So very complete background. So you've got 13 pages in total. So again, I repeat, so you've got the Sunflowers Extravaganza, the Modern Fairy Tale, and the Fancy Stones. Ta-da! That is the free printable. Yeah, it's gorgeous, isn't it? I have used one on me butterfly background. I put some flowers, butterflies, and then added the fairies. So, and this is a full background, so you can chop it into 3 to create 3 tags, or you can either do cut them like in square, so create a little cards if you want, or you can use it like this to create like a cover for journal or pages, pockets, envelopes, anything I can carry on and on and on and on and on. So that is that's the freebie for today, guys. So how do you get this? The Friday freebie gets sent every Friday at 9 p.m. British time to my newsletter. So I got lots of positive feedback about the newsletter. Is one email. There is my weekly catch up about my videos. Also, sometimes there is a cheeky offer for my products on the website. and always in a PDF attachment. So because the newsletters get sent out at 9 p.m. British time, where it's basically you guys watching the video, if you want this freebie and the previous freebie, you need to join my Facebook group. It's the only place where I can add things weekly and store them as a PDF is into one place. So I will show you in just a moment how to get them, and how to, once you're in the group, I'll show you where to find them. But before we go, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody for your continuous role support, but also thank you in particular, if you guys don't mind, I want to say thank you to Karine, Mary, Jonathan and Ursula for joining my VIP membership this week. So thank you so much, guys. Your love and support is always appreciated. And also a big thank you and shout out to every single one of you for always taking the time to give me thumbs up and leave comments, etc. And today's shout out goes to the lovely Michelle aka Shell. Michelle is a member of my VIP lounge. Wonderful friend, I would like to say so, because Michelle is always so active on my Facebook group as well. She designs things, she makes projects, she shared them. Very proud and honored to have you part on the group, Michelle. I put Michelle's on the comments on the screen now. Michelle said that she loved the Pretty Pink papers and they are their favorite. Well, it was my favorite too, but unfortunately all the 99p papers have now disappeared from the website. It's just a little treat that I used to have, but don't worry, there's new papers coming up soon. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Let me show you how and where to find the freebies on my Facebook group, and don't forget to join my newsletter. All the links are listed in the info box. Okay guys, so I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the second year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. Doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a fourth lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group, so feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube. Guys, if you wish to carry on watching for some more ideas and inspiration, I will put a couple of links on the screen now. One where we make some tags, pocket tags actually, with an acetate window we see through. I think we use the Tags and Dogs papers. I know how much you guys love that that tutorial. And then the second video is when we made some embellishment. Again, I will put all the links here on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.